Good evening. Hello everyone. How was your day? It's good. Today is Sunday. And my hometown, the weather today is rainy. I like this. The weather is so much. I don't like hot sunny because I will feel tired and wet under sunny. And you? Do you like rain or sunny? Tell me in the comment. And what do you do today? Today I hang out with my friend. Today I had an accident between a motorcycle and motorcycle, but I'm okay. It's hurt a little bit, but after all, it's okay. And you, today you go to work or relax on your home? Tell me in the comment. That's it. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.